Alright guys, here we are. I have my Pacifica in the air. I'm getting ready to, I've slept on this guys. I have no choice. Like I said, I'm not gonna shell out. Oh man, I got an axle coming apart. So that's what that ticking noise was coming from when I turned hard left or right. Oh, both of them's tore apart. See, I need all that money, that cat converter money for this guy. So I need some. I have to take care of. Look, that is bad. So ain't no grease in there. That will come apart eventually. So I can't do much riding in this car. But guys, I have to get it inspected so I can get emissions, so I can get that ticket off of my record. Remember, what my goal here. My goal here is trying to keep a squeaky clean driving record. You cannot do that with tickets on it. So to counter that, I have to do what I got to do. So let me grab a wrench. These are pretty much always 7/8 wrench, and we're gonna get that off and get this fouler put on here. Okay, so all right. I just gotta get this thing to pad. Cat efficiency failure. Pretty much what's going on. And there's only one cat. There's not two banks or anything like that. So here are the filers. I'm gonna use one. All we're doing, guys, is pushing the O2 away from the cat just a tad. Okay, so it won't be so sensitive and it won't read it the way it should. Now, in reality, guys, I mean, let's keep it real. I need a cat converter. All right, that's just the reality of it. But because they are $1,000. I have to go plan B, and this is plan B. So get this on there. Oh no, I won't fit inside. Oh no, guys, I got the wrong freaking size. Wow. All right, I'm gonna drill a bigger hole in here. So that's what I'm gonna do, because it came with two and they don't have another one in stock, so I'm just gonna drill a hole. All right guys, hold tight. All right guys, so that ain't gonna work. Now guys, I went around the shop. I was gonna get a drill bit and drill straight in there and make the hole bigger, but of all people, the guy in the shop, the trim guy, happened to have one. Okay, you can see the difference. Now that hole is bigger, so that means this, yes, this was set in there. So let me get this off. And what we're gonna do is install this good one. This is actually, so I ain't gonna have a way. There's no hex head to tighten it up, so I guess I'll tighten it up using the O2 sensor. All right. Yeah, I have to. I have no choice, guys. I slept on this all night. You know, my conscience is bothering me, guys. But every time I think about either this or $1,000, I come back to life, my senses. All right, guys. So I'm gonna erase the codes, go drive this thing, see if my monitor is passed, especially the cat efficiency monitor, and then I will be able to get emission, guys. So let me grab my scan tool. This year model car, guys, take a DRB. All right, so all else fails, let me grab my DRB and we gonna go for a ride. Guys, this car need a lot of work. Tires balling out. Like I say, it's set at Walmart almost, I mean, it probably was a year. I can't remember, but I gotta go get emission. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. All right, guys, I'm driving. I've been driving 2 miles. Let's see where we at carb wise. Okay, guys, yes, as you can see, cat converter has passed, and also O2 upstream O2 sensor has passed. So now all I need is EGR and the heaters. All right, so we're gonna go on the pre-test for the EGR valve. There it is. That is number 5. We need to be on the pre-test. So we need to get in the parameters, and it should start running. Vehicle speed. Okay, I'm going too fast. I'm out of range on the vehicle speed. I need to be below 25 miles an hour. Wow. Don't know if I can get that low in this traffic. That one's going to be kind of hard to do, guys. I'm in extremely amounts of traffic, and everybody looking at me like I'm crazy. So I don't know if I'm going to get EGR to run. Alright, guys, so I'm having a hard time getting EGR valve. I'm going to have to switch roads, but eventually I will get it. Matter of fact, guys, I'm at a red light. Let me see where we at so far. Carb readiness is what I need, at least 75% to say yes. Okay, let's look on the carb readiness. Alright, still got those 2, so I need at least 2 more maybe. I'm not going to get small evap leak. That's out of the question because the car is not cold anymore. So we will, and I think the heater going to show pass once I turn the car off, and that should about do it. It's going to be extremely hard to get the EGR valve to run. It looks like EGR looking for a load. You have to be under a certain RPM, under a certain speed. So how in the world can you pull that off? So basically I need to be on the heel on the slight load. That's why I say, guys, more than just jumping on the road going 100 miles or driving 50 miles or 100 miles. Okay, it's all about parameters. I say that time and time again. A lot of inspection stations will tell you just go drive at 50 miles. And a lot of people will just jump on the freeway. 50 miles later, they're coming back talking about, okay, I'm ready. And they find out none of the monitors ran because they just merely jumped on the road and started driving. It's all about windows and parameters. All right, so it's not just a mileage thing. All right, so I'm on a different road that will not require a lot of speed, but I don't know how I'm gonna be on the load. But guys, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna end up doing it off camera because this is gonna be one of those stubborn ones. Everything else will run, but the EGR is gonna be a little stubborn. All right. So, okay, now minimum run time. Everything's in order now. It's just that I had exceeded the minimum run time. So like I say, guys, all about parameters and windows. All right, so let's try this again. I got to keep it under 1400. Basically off the gas. Look, it's so easy. Wow. All right, guys, let's see where we at. As far as carb readiness, we are now at ta-da! Alright, I told you the heaters would run when I turn it off. So now that little pesky EGR valve is the only one I have to get done, and we should be set to go. Alright, let's get it.